Namaste and welcome. Today marks the beginning of a very special journey as the students from California's D-Tech school arrive in our beautiful country, Nepal.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the honor of welcoming our friends and teachers from D-Tech High School here at Adhyayan at the moment.
On our very first day, we visit the renowned Adhyayan school. It's a day of new connections as we explore the school's beautiful campus and share stories of our different cultures. Here, the walls aren't just filled with lessons. They're filled with life, with creativity, and with a deep sense of community. Day 2 kicks off with an exciting outdoor adventure. The students set out on a breathtaking hike. As we make our way through the trails, we pause to connect with one another, sharing stories, taking photos, and marveling at the surrounding views. This hike isn't just about the destination, it's about embracing the journey, both in nature and in friendship. On day 3, we take a turn toward the future as we visit one of Nepal's leading tech companies, Leapfrog. Leapfrog is a prime example of how innovation and technology are driving Nepal forward.
So where's the cheering?
The exchange isn't just about clothes. It's about understanding each other's identities, celebrating diversity, and honoring the traditions that make each of us special. It's a day of joy, laughter, and connection, as we learn that no matter where we're from, our shared humanity is the most beautiful thing of all.
See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
We hope this experience has shown you that education is not just about what we learn from books. It's about the connections we make, the cultures we share, and the mutual respect we cultivate. As you return home, take with you the spirit of Nepal, the warmth of its people, the beauty of its landscapes, and the strength of the friendships we've formed. Thank you for being part of this incredible experience. You will always have a place in our hearts here at Adhyayan School.
Like talking to my students about their interactions with the students of the Adhyayan School was just like the level of kindness that was shown to us. Like the students at the Adhyayan School were just so giving, and they really gave everything from respect to treats and food. That was just so amazing to see, and I think that the students really benefited from like seeing that that kindness from another culture. The biggest highlight for me was that hike that we did, and I think that was just so impactful for us because we got to like step out of the classroom, and we weren't just like stuck within our innovation diploma groups. We were also talking to other students too.
Hello and assalamu alaikum. This is Farzana from Adhyayan School, and I have been working as an IDP since last year. However, I've been working as a design thinking mentor for a longer time. Design thinking, when we talk about design thinking, we've been always encouraging our students to solve their problems themselves and come up with different ideas and generate different ideas, which came true and which was much easier when we had student exchange program that we had been planning since a long time. It was a great opportunity for Adhyayan to have student collaboration and exchange with D-Tech High School at California. This experience, the 4 days experience, was much more higher than we had expected. The students' collaboration with each other, the D-Tech students and our Adhyayan students, they work together in a great way. Even the mentors. So we are hopeful that these kind of programs keep continuing in future as well. At last, if I have to say something, it was a proud moment for all of us to have this kind of activities. Our students gained a lot of information and a lot of exchange of ideas was done. So seeing them work together, walk together, dance together, laugh together was just amazing experience. I hope this keeps continuing. Well, it was good.
A student exchange program in between Adhyayan School and Design Tech High School was amazing, or let's say is amazing, because we are still living that amazing memories. During this period, we got the chance of exchanging various ideas in between these two schools, and we also shared what we've been doing throughout these period, especially grade 7. Though they were a little younger, we were like a bit kind of puzzled whether they will be able to meet our expectations or not, but they were amazing. Grade 7 came to the level of DT High School, and they proved that they can also do it. And during this period, the cultural exchange program, when we saw the students from DT High School, they were wearing the cultural dress. It was amazing. Not only that one, we also got how they worked in the project and shared their ideas and their way of working as well. And that was another learning aspect for our students as well. So in general, or in a short, I can say that the student exchange program was awesome. Thank you so much.
Amazing experience for me during this student exchange program with the D-Tech school and the students of that school. During this exchange program, our students, even they have been doing this IDP project, they have got the opportunity to new concepts as well as new ideas for upcoming more steps of projects of this IDP program. So during this program, they were able to interact as well as welcome, as well as today they have got the farewell as well. So during these moments, the experience with them was very amazing and nice for me as well.
I've been planning this exchange for almost 2 years now, and so I got to meet a lot of people from Nepal, and what I noticed was everyone was so compassionate and excited to be working with us students at DTech in creating this program and making sure it could happen and thrive, building this foundation for the future of an exchange between our school and Adhyayan in Nepal and California.
Some of the people here have just such a sense of community and kindness that you don't see in the U.S. I think the U.S. has a very individualistic, kind of competitive culture there. At DTech, it's a bigger school, but here it's a little bit smaller and there's much more of a sense of community. And you just don't see that at DTech. So just the sense of community in Nepal is so amazing to see, and that's the biggest highlight.
It was an overwhelming experience to welcome international students to our den. The first day, we started with scavenger hunt, where we learned a lot about each other. We did many other activities like hiking and cultural dress exchange, where they wore Nepali dress and they looked quite wonderful.
We have been working on the IDP project since the beginning of this year, and we have had a lot of experiences with it. Before the exchange students arrived, we have done the DR review one, and we interviewed many people. We got to know each other as well. We problematized all the problems that we got from the interview, and we created a presentation about it as well.
As we have been working on Innovation Diploma Program, IDP, since this year, we were really excited when we were informed that the students from DTech High School are coming to Nepal. The main purpose of this program was to collaboratively work on projects and have cultural exchange, which was successfully done, and it was an amazing experience for all of us, and we are looking forward for more of these exchanges in the future. Thank you.
At first, I was quite nervous about how the interaction was going to go between us due to many language barriers and all. But when I actually got to know them, it was quite fun. I remember having Karina in our group. She and I shared the same birth date and same musical taste as well. We interacted, we went on to different hikes, we performed activities and research. Going on to many interviews was also quite fun. Overall, our interaction went quite smoothly and a lot better than expected.
This visit was for a cultural exchange program. We got to know about each other's culture and worked on a project together. The project was related to UN SDG goals. We went to interview people, researched, and gained a lot of knowledge about each other. This experience was very memorable and impactful.
The hike also proved to be very enjoyable and resourceful for our project. These international students proved to be very efficient and resourceful in their projects too. We also enjoyed interviewing each other and other teachers as well as staff in the school. Overall experience was very fun.
And it was an enlightening experience talking with Mr. Daniel, who is one of the mentors of the international students. Overall, it was a pleasant and enlightening experience for us Adhyayan school students.